a two for the show. So buckle up, there's no telling where we're gonna go.
With the touch of a button, you can telescope the tower down, not eating up any real estate inside the boat. It's great for getting under bridges, pulling into a dock or garage, and since everyone can sit comfortably in their seats with the tower down, it creates a great option for you and your crew when you want to get out of the elements. Of course, it also creates a unique and aggressive look for the boat. Check out our extended sunshades. With quick and easy setup, you can have bow and stern shades for those long, hot summer days in the sun.
First of its kind on a pontoon, telescoping convertible hardtop will allow the captain to raise and lower the top to get under bridges or provide adequate walking space around the boat during the day. The convertible top opens for both sun and closes for shade. And not only does it look great, it's also ordained with 4 Harman Kardon speakers that amplify the sound down into the cockpit and dressed with some great LED lighting throughout.